Hi boys and girls, this is a study guide for your quiz that is coming up. So if you see this problem on your quiz, I'm going to ask you to write a multiplication equation for this array. So what you need to do are count how many rows and how many columns. So first I'm going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows times how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So 4 times 5 equals, and then you count them up, or you count 5, 10, 15, 20 to get your answer. Now I have an array over here. Again, I'm going to count my rows. I have 1, 2 rows, and then I'm going to count how many are in those rows or columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know 2 times 7 is my equation, and I can either count 7 plus 7 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to do the easier way. 2 groups of 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now, it might not be an array on the quiz. It might be groups of. So first I count how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4 equals, and I'm going to count 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. So those are some examples on the quiz tomorrow. I might also just give you a multiplication problem, equation, and ask you to either draw an array or groups of. So for this example, 3 groups of 5. So I'm going to draw my 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put 5 in each. And I'm just going to write the number 5. You could draw 5 dots, that's fine with me. So I'm going to put my addition sentence here, so I get 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 5 equals 15. That's how you show groups of. Now to do an array, I look at 3 rows of 5. So here's my first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lastly, my third row, 4, 5. And I have 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. One last problem. 5 times 2. 5 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 in each. 2 in each. And then I count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. And lastly, I do an array. 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I get the same answer. So study, practice, and good luck.